I just want to take a quick video of my 2001 Chevy Express Cutaway 3500 dually. Has a 5.7 liter Chevy Vortec engine with 110,000 miles. Very clean. So what the deal is with this one, the cap, it had a full enclosure. The top was struck by a tree. The previous owner cut the whole cap off, and when I bought it, it had metal studs going up, and I installed this siding. It's dual. It's siding's on both sides, so one wind doesn't affect the other when it's dusty. So lots of storage. Inside's very clean. And I'm going to start it up. Started it. Here's the engine. This motor is very strong. I don't know, I've had a lot of 350s. This thing really goes. Air conditioner works great. Has a new windshield. Okay. Now we're going to go for a ride. It does have a check engine light on, service engine light, that I will deal with for the new owner. It will be nice and clean and clear. Here we go. It's weird, I see that with the lighting. Anyways. Holy shit. Okay, thanks.